Hello, my good people. Welcome to another video. I'm Mr. Harrison Magari, your trusted car dealer in Mombasa. A lot of people requested for this review. And if you are looking for Toyota Probox, trust me, kindly reach me on the number indicated on the screen. Today we are focusing on Toyota Succeed Hybrid. So, Toyota Succeed Hybrid, just like Toyota Probox Hybrid, still you can get the Toyota Succeed Hybrid. I'll be telling you about the fuel consumption, about the price, higher purchase, and all those terms. So kindly come with me up to the end. This is how it looks from the front. It comes with that blue emblem right there. Still, I'll be showing you the non-hybrid. So if you don't know the difference, you can continue watching this video. This is how it looks from the back. That blue emblem and hybrid badge on the side. It comes with a lot of features. This one is a 2018 model, 1500cc. I want to tell you something about this one. It comes with the battery at the back. You can fold the second row of this just as normal. Now this is how it looks from the passenger seats. So there is not much difference from the interior. Just that the battery is at the back so that it can create more room for the hybrid motor at the front. Very spacious car. For this one is 2 power window. I saw another one which is a fully loaded TXG package, the same few days ago. So this one is the non-hybrid. As you can see, there is no blue badge, there is no the hybrid badge. This one is 1500cc Succeed. Succeed comes with 1500cc. Probox you get both 1500cc and 1300cc, and the Probox or Succeed hybrid which I had shown you. The Succeed and Probox, the hybrid version comes with 1500cc engine. About the drivetrain, you can get about 1500. Sorry, you can get drivetrain. You can get two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive system. For this one is a quite. It has more features. It comes with the alloy rims, as you can see. But let's continue with our video, the Toyota Succeed Hybrid. I hope you have seen the difference, the noticeable difference between the hybrid and non-hybrid. So let's talk about the fuel efficiency. Why there is Toyota Hybrid? Toyota Hybrid, the reason why it is in the market, it is because of fuel efficiency. With fuel efficiency, I'm talking about up to 26 kilometer to a liter, while the normal one will give you 14 kilometer to a liter. Meaning, if you spend around 10,000 on fuel on the normal Probox, on this one you will spend 5,000 or less. That's how fuel efficient it is. It comes with the phone holder right there. It comes with the dual climate controls. It comes with charging ports and all those amazing features. We must give Succeed at Probox those some of those good innovation, because Toyota Succeed, it has a provision for, it has charging ports, dual climate controls. So if you want something for family or something to get your work done with, Toyota Succeed is here. The price for Toyota Succeed is 1.45 million Kenya shillings. If you want it on hire purchase, minimum deposit of 500,000. If you have something less than that, we can talk about that. So just call me on the number indicated on the screen. So this is how it looks. It has multiple storage spaces. Very amazing features. 26 kilometer to a liter is what this car will give you. Now let's get to the engine bay. This one is the electric motor. It comes with 1500cc. So what it does, when you are driving in the city or during low speeds, you will use the electric motor, which is just using the dynamics in the hybrid system. For this specific one, it comes with a front facing camera. It comes with those another camera for cruise control and all those features. The mileage for this one is only 101,000 kilometers, which is very good for Toyota Probox. Actually, Toyota Probox come with very low high mileages, mostly for the hybrid, come with extremely high mileage. But for this one, is just okay. So can reach me on 07418373. You can get this car on cash, hire purchase. Still there is as option for asset financing. By asset financing, I mean you can talk to your bank to buy you to get yourself this car. You can talk to your bank, to your circle to finance you. So if you are interested in any unit, cash, hire purchase, asset financing, trading, kindly reach me on the number indicated on the screen. And if it is your first time to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel as we are on our way to 10,000 subscribers. Thank you for watching and welcome.